Good evening, everyone. My name is Archita.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Pratiksha.
And today we are going to discuss about why English is important. So, English is important because if we will learn English, then we can get a great job. And in nowadays, there are many jobs which wants English, uh, which wants English language.
English is important of our life because children learn English because
And English is also important because if we want to talk from foreigners, then we can like there are many things in English. There tenses, grammar, and if we will not know the don't know that what is grammar, tenses, then we can learn English, and then our teachers also can help us in learning grammar and tenses.
teacher is also talking in English, so we children learn where is used tenses and etc. things.
If we will learn English, then we can communicate with other people. Like if we know that where should we use grammar, where should we use tense, then we will know that how to communicate with other people. Like if we will communicate with the other people, then we can develop our overall personality, and we can develop our speaking skills also.
We can talk in English because your friend is talking English. You can also talk in English.
And if we want to learn English, then we can search on YouTube, ChatGPT, Google, and there are many lots of apps, and they can give us the output of that questions.
English is important because some people is talking English and some people are talking English